everyone, my name is Tanisha Shetty, your Miss Globe Malaysia 2023, here at GLOJAS Aesthetic to get my facial treatment. As you all know that I only have less than 5 weeks left towards my preparations towards the international stage. However, I'm so happy to have them on board with me to get my skin prep, so I'm looking forward towards the treatment. So for those who wants to pay a visit here, you guys should, because it's reasonable as well as affordable. And trust me, you would definitely love the outcome in just one session. So thumbs up!